Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. This is the first Thanksgiving that I didn't cook anything. I usually cook a whole dinner, even though if I'm invited out somewhere, we always have dinner at home. But anyway, I'm going over Jackie's house. And this is my outfit of the day. Okay, starting with this half wig I made. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. And I'm loving it. And several of my honeys have talked about buying my wigs if I would make them for them. I don't think I'm ready to make wigs for other people right now, but if I should in the future, I will. You all will be the first to know. Okay? I got so much going on right now. But anyway, let me get my pose on. I paired this top with this headband. So I'm finally able to wear these funny looking headbands. Because all of my tops have some kind of print. So I just match up whatever colors in my top to the headband and it seems to work. Okay, like I said, this is my box braid headband wig. Okay, so I sewed a big comb right here, so that's what I have it attached with. Because it came with two little combs on the wig cap that I put the braids on. It came with two little bitty combs right here and one in the back. And them little combs, they too little and they dig into my scalp. Anyway, this is a top I got from Amazon. It's a short caftan top. I don't want to trip over this Christmas tree. I paired it with some black wide leg yoga pants. Okay, let y'all see the back of my hair. Bouncing and behaving. I like this wig better than the fluffy one I made. I like this a lot. It took about maybe an hour or less than an hour to make this wig. And I like it a lot. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. And Sis Ann, what you think about this wig? I know you don't like nothing I wear. Okay, get my pose on. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. I want you all to have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. And for this to be a happy time for you all to meet up with family. Okay? Alright, so thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.